Hey ladies, what's up? It's your girl Kate and we are back with another wig. Today we are doing Maebry from Nutique, the Eludes collection. This wig is absolutely beautiful. As you can see, it doesn't come pre-plucked or anything, but we're definitely gonna pluck it. And this is me after I plucked it a little bit. There wasn't much space on the sides to part it. You can see a little track right there. But I mean, she's full and everything. I use the lace tinting spray, and I'm just showing you how she looks on the inside with a little bit of lace, just a little part, nothing extravagant. But baby, did they give you hair and volume and beauty? Just want to show you how quick and easy it is to use the lace tint spray from Temptation. This is a Kiss brand spray, and this is the only spray that matches my color like to the T. So I went ahead and put it on, and usually wigs don't fit me ear to ear. So this one is definitely big head friendly. I will leave the circumference and everything of my head in the description below. And while you guys are here, make sure to comment what you like so far and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I have more videos like this one coming. I wanted to also tell you guys that this wig is so secure. Like, this wig feels like it's not gonna move. And as you guys can see on the previous clip, like, we have 3 clips, we have the parting space, and we have adjustable band in the back. So you definitely have enough security for this wig. And I also installed this glueless. So we did not use any glue on this install. So that's another, plus that you can install this wig glueless. Because girlfriend, honey child, we be ready to take these things off in the nighttime, baby, and sleep peacefully. You understand? So right now we're just cutting off all of the lace and brushing all the baby hairs down, getting ready to softly apply the lace. The only reason why I use any product, just because I wanted all the baby hairs to lay in one direction. So I'm taking Fantasia Spritz. I think this is the Mega Hold one, and I'm just lightly spritzing across the perimeter of my head, and I'm just going to tie this down with the wig band, and then I'm going to take my blow dryer and I'm just going to blow it out for like a good 2-3 minutes, like nothing serious. I just want the product to actually dry. So this is what we got. You see the baby hairs are laid down pretty flat, and I'm able to do a little bit more customization with the baby hairs. Like I said, I'm trying to do this glueless, and I'm trying to make it look as natural as possible. As you guys can see so far, like, the texture of Maebry is like super like yucky. It's giving blowout. It's very like, you could pull this off. You could put, I might have added a few tracks, but I could pull this off. Like, this is my real hair. So that's what I'm trying to give. So I'm taking my scissors and I'm going back and forth just to create, just like natural baby hairs. I feel like that's the best way to create like a natural baby hair, is just, gently pushing the hairs against the scissors and not just going straight across. Like, we need a little bit of, just, cutting action going on. So I'm taking my concealer from Shein. This is a She Glam concealer. I'll be having a review on that as well on another video. And I just, conceal my part a little bit. As you guys can see, the part is giving, it's deep, it's everything. And then I'm taking my dimming brush and I'm just combing out my wig. That's my favorite brush to use on a wig, because it just gets every nook, every cranny, every nap, all that. So yeah, after that we just basically combed out everything, and I'm just styling it, playing with it, seeing how I really want to do it, because straight out the box you gotta find your swag with these certain wigs. So yeah, you just get the combing and flicking and swirling and figure out what's the best style for you. So as you can see here, this is the style that I want on the right and the style that it came in on the left. So you just gotta break your magic, honey. Get the flipping that wrist and twisting that damn dimming brush. Okay. So after we pretty much got both sides to match, she is looking absolutely beautiful, voluminous. It's giving, like, it's really giving. And I would literally wear this wig every day if I could. I'm spraying some of the spritz right here on this front part just to give me a little bit of height, because I love me a little bit of height at the top of my wigs. Usually I would use like a wand or something, but child, I was being lazy and I didn't want to get up, so I just used the back of my hot comb and, you know, tie her down, child. See, look how glueless she is. I pushed it back a little bit, my cap's showing. So you guys definitely can use the spritz to create that glueless effect. And baby, this is the final look. Maebry 24-inch from Nutique. Absolutely freaking beautiful. You know, only con to this wig is that you really don't have any other part than the middle part to do it. But other than that, like, she's giving. Like, look at the curls. So cute. It's like doll baby hair, like showgirl hair. So freaking adorable. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There will be more to come. You guys can cop Maebry 24-inch at mybeautyexchange.com. See you on the next one.